Now we're gonna install the front forks, and that's very easy. Just a few things you have to remember. Now, first, slide them in carefully until it's on the upper, and the upper one needs to be flush with the cap, and this is where it's at. Then screw it up, the upper also. Wait a minute, it's over here. Okay, now we're gonna torque them. The upper clamp ball needs to be 22 Newton meters. That's 19 plus 3. Okay, 22. Okay, this one. Yep, torqued. This one needs to be torqued 39 Newton meters. So we put it to, okay, that's okay. Yep, torqued. We're gonna do the same the other side. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is the front fender. Have a look, goes in over here and then upwards. Okay, it's an Allen bit of 5. Always put them in with a tiny bit of grease, so the next mechanic can always get them out. Then the washer. So okay, then over there. Yes. Okay, one. Tight, but not too tight. Up. This one too. So. Okay. There is this arrow somewhere over the rainbow. Even kijken hè. Have a look. Have a looky. Yes. Over here is an arrow. In this case it's opposite to the ventil. And the tire needs to be in the wheel, so like this. Then we have to raise the bike. There are 2 spacers on each side. I already cleaned the wheel, and you can feel with your fingers the bearings. Just turn them around and feel for any notches or play, but these are Great. Then I'm gonna show you a small trick. This one goes in here, and to be sure that it's not dropping out all the time, I put a bit of grease over here and in my seal over there, and that makes it, watch, turn it a bit. Now it's, and on the other side there is a longer one, this one, and you can see on the markings that this side went into the where the oil seal is. Of the, in this case not an oil seal, but then a bit over here, and of course into here. So it can rotate nicely. Put it in here, give it a few turns. Okay, the axle goes in from this side. I already cleaned it, and now I'm give it a smear with grease. So this preventing the axle from rusting. I hate rust and I hate squeaking bolts. Yuck. I wonder, would I wear blue latex gloves with blue grease? I don't know. Then we have the axle. We're gonna lift the front wheel, take the axle and easy slide it in. Then we take this one, hop, perfect. So we take the bolt and the beautiful. The long is for the clamp bolt. Then I'm gonna lower the bike. Yep, a bit. So now I can turn it. The axle need to be flush with the clamp. I have this iron piece and I push it in. Then I'm gonna, this is a socket of 12. Needs to be torqued with 22. So we're gonna put it to 22. Oppa, torqued. Now we're going to the other side. There is a strange thing in the manual. They say this need to be flush, then torque the axle, pump it a few times, and then torque this one. But this hole is a tight distance, and the last thing you have to do is tighten this one. But suppose the fork is some bit bent and it goes outwards, then this is not flush anymore. I think I do it my way or the highway. Okay, this one goes in here and we're gonna block it with this one. The axle need to be torqued at 59 Newton meters.
59, so that's 22. We go to 59. Let's see, that's
get the wooden blocks. Okay, then we're gonna torque it. Okay, torqued. Check. Then we have up here another pinch bolt. Goes in here. Okay, that's 12. The pinch bolt need to be torqued with 22. So let's move on. 22. That's 83. Up there. Okay. Okay. Yep. Torqued. Hoppa. Now we're gonna put the calipers back on. Very easy to first clean the workspace a bit. Okay. First we're gonna push him a bit back. Like this. Oh, good. Oh. This one. So. Okay. Okay, that's one. And that's two. Then the calipers need to be torqued with 30 Newton meters. So let's do that. 30, my boy, where are you? That's over here. Then it's over there. Okay. Stuff a little bit out of the way. Okay. Okay. Check. Torqued. Gotta do the same on the other side. Push it a bit out. Oh. Yep. D. And then okay. Okay. Place. Okay. Okay. Then there are two clamps with two, call it ball nuts. This one. Oh. That one. Over here the same. Tight, but not too tight. This one the same. Okay, then my stuff out of the way. An important tip. Whenever you work on your brakes, front or rear, and you finished the job, always squeeze your brake handle or push your foot lever until the brake pads are seated onto the disc. Yes, this was my video about renewing the oil seals of a front fork of a Honda Hornet 600. Is it easy? Yeah. Can you do it? I think if you have the right tools, but that's always, or you're able to make your own special tools, you can do it yourself. Then it's no problem. The problem is to push that white bushing with the two holes. Put that down. Perhaps if you're with two people, one can push it down and the other one can quickly slide a wrench underneath it. I think then it's doable. Otherwise, but for now, old mechanic. En de dingen dropten weer uit. En god, noemen jullie dat er niet? Godverdomme. Waar ligt die bus? Waar ligt die bus? Zo in een bloepert. Hop. Yep. Clean it. Can. Tjuu. Then, start all over again. Grease on this side. Yep. And on this side. Hopefully, now I put my blanket underneath it. So, and again. Okay.